Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We use cylindrical shells to find the volume of the solid generated when the region enclosed by the given curve is revolved about the y-axis. So now we have first, this is about the first curve, and this is about another line in here. So the graph should be like this. When s equal to number 0, so you got about number 1 in here, and the curve should be like this. We start at s equal to number 1, and we stop at s equal to the square root of number 11. This is about number 1. This is about the square root of number 11. The area we need to concentrate, that's about this one, but they revolve about y-axis. That's about this one in here. So if they revolve about this one, we have the object on the left in here. So they want to use about cylindrical shells. So the formula in this situation, you got about V equal to 2B. And we have the integration from number 1 to the square root of 11. And we have S multiplied by the function, that's about e to the power of s squared minus 0, that's about y in here. And we have the s and now we need to simplify, and you got about v equal to 2p, and we have the integral from number 1 to the square root of number 11, s e to the power of s squared ds. To calculate about, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to 2s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. So if s equals to number 1, so you should be about number 1, because we put s equal to number 1 going here to find the value of u. If s equals to the square root of number 11, so you should be about number 11. Now about this one, we need to change everything in here. Number 1, we change number 1, we keep number 1. The square root of number 11, we change for number 11 in here. S squared we change for u. 2s ds we change for du. And we got about b in here. The integration of e to the power of u, you will go about e to the power of u. And we have the bounds from number 1 to number 11. And now we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.